There is no treatment for Alzheimer's disease that is going to cure the disease. There are two classes of medications that we have found in some situations to be helpful. These two classes of medications are aimed at preventing the progression of the disease or slowing the progression of the disease, and it might help with some individuals. The main treatment for Alzheimer's disease is to manage any behaviors that might be problematic to the caregivers. And this kind of takes the edge off of any of the behaviors that the person might have, such as restlessness or agitation and those types of things.